Yes. So when I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation, people, we're back in the place. You understand? Season 2, epic. I have a special guest in the building today on the Imara Nation podcast. The one and only, Demarco, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, my lord. First of all, we just want to say, give thanks.
Yeah, man.
Give thanks for the energy and time. You understand? Because of him, all of this possible right now. We're talking about from lighting to production to everything. Yeah. And also, my brother Adonis, you don't know from them time until now, but G.
Big up yourself, Andy.
That is it, you understand? So we're there about bro in the place. So we're going to start off to which part, you know, some topics more familiar and it kind of fresh in the industry right now. So I don't know if you know about what go on in Jamaica, Era Circle, where them have the woman named Alice, where said she is the queen at Era Circle, apparently.
Yeah.
And I look at video circulate her mama, you see me? I do wipe her backside and all these things close to the food and all these things.
Mama shit up herself.
Mama shit up herself,
shit
brother.
Shit up herself, mama.
So she said, you know, she drink little beer, a little salt, little salt and beer, and then now I go on now, Andy, them catch her, I wipe her bottom bad G, and I throw it close to the food in our bucket. Some of the people them say, other bucket that them wash them and inner. You see me?
Jesus Christ.
And some people say other bucket that them use and transfer the water to the crab and rare one bag of thing. Me no know, me never did that. But we just go for the information.
Jesus Christ.
You ever buy a Era Circles yet?
Eh?
You ever buy a crab at Era Circle yet?
You know, say, that thing ain't bother me because here what go on now. I don't eat crab.
Oh, you don't eat crab?
Okay. Yeah, so and the next thing too, I'm allergic to shellfish. So.
Yeah.
You know.
Dog, lucky.
So I'm lucky, them thing they don't reach me, but brother, you never drink none of dog soup.
Bombay.
Half a tree, brother.
You want to know something?
Brother.
I never, but me hear about it though. Me hear about it though.
Dog soup sweet.
me say 1 spoonful full of a blood clot up. Me say dog taste and just taste and
people that drink the dog soup and never know say a dog soup, father.
He beat the dog soup.
What you mean, man?
Bad. Bro, I tell everybody say, yo, dog, only in the West people keep dog as pet. Only in the West. Nobody no keep dog as pet. Dog is just another food source in every other country.
Alright, so look on this. Enough people, you know, they tell them, say, yo, curry goat. Oh, you eat a goat.
True.
You eat goat.
I saw that some people over here think about dog.
Exactly.
They must say, you eat dogs? But the Chinese people, not all of them, but they have cultures in China where eat dog for real.
True.
I wanna diss them even to this date, them have festival, dog eating festival.
Yeah, man.
That is real. And
it's a couple mongrels string up to. Couple mongrels string up, father.
Yo, you know some more if what them do with them mongrel when them they send a Canada from Jamaica? Them put them mongrel up on flight and send them to Canada. How going over there? Anybody have the update for them dog there? Dog there for Mr. Chin.
Why they migrate to mongrel dog? Why they do that?
Bro,
why they do that?
So when people have money, them just wasteful.
Yeah.
Them man them books on ticket for some mongrel dog, you know, brother. The same dog them run down, we ride bicycle, we a little youth, you know. Nothing special about them dog there. Oh, the blood, nah. But now I'm on a bigger man level, man. All this thing there, bro. I feel like a whole heap of people are going to suffer, you know, the little mom and pop spot them, the little small food shop them.
So what them do? Them lock it down?
Them lock down Era Circle. But for the masses, what I feel like it I do for the masses now, I feel like everybody are going to meticulously scrutinize everybody upon the road who sell. The fruits man, they might get scrutiny. The other food people, they might get scrutiny. And no matter how big and full, but well, no, Jamaica still, them still like a buy. Fuck that. I fuck with me a chat. Yeah. And America will live, brother. And America will live, brother. They must still like a buy. Think about it. Them still like a buy.
Me tell you, say, yo, me do, alright, when me did there foreign, me do couple job well, you know.
Yeah.
I work at some fast food place too, you know.
Yeah.
Back in before me boss, you know. Brother, I don't know how me eat fast food up to this day, you know.
Which part did
me not talk
disclose it. Okay. Now that's fine. But
me there, dog, and
yeah.
You know, me have fried chicken and them thing there.
Yeah.
You know, a beer, I'll crackhead them have work in a place and them time them live in Baltimore.
Oh.
You go start to put all the chicken in butter and them thing there and then fry it and them thing there. Me see all chicken all drop out and slide go on grease muck, you know.
I'm on
just take it up back and show it in there. The all man, the all head them in and I say, hey, young, you know, the grease kill the germs. Grease kill the germs. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about
primary
it.
school, in a primary school. It's not carry germs.
Don't worry about it, young. Don't worry about it. That grease kill the germs, bro.
Bro, I'm not lie to you. Some things.
Things go on, boy, yeah.
Me not for work there.
All right, we are drink water.
Yeah.
Where them water you come from now back of them about spring water?
Me not believe them.
Where them come from?
I feel like a pipe water them bad G.
No, but yo, we even know if them back of they about all months, years.
Yeah. We don't know
We
how
just
clean
them thing.
yeah.
We don't know where how clean it is and them thing there.
That is true. That is true.
Yo,
That
right
is true.
now, yo, I'm stressed out.
So it goes to show now. So what do you really know if you not grow your own food and you not make your own food?
Exactly.
What do you really know? So this now the saying where I not see art no leap come into play because the soup we are talking about, the dog soup, that soup that is fantastic.
What?
But you never know.
You never know.
So would you eat the dog now? Dog soup
No,
now?
mad. No, sir.
But it tastes good.
No, but mine. You're mad now, bro. No, sir.
Yo,
No,
me say,
better.
them a say, Mama, what's your name? Alice. Them a say, yo, our other man must tell her, say, yo, here what? We don't know how, it's allegedly, because I don't know if the woman indulge in a obia, but you don't know Jamaica, everybody feel like you do obia. So they must say, yo, the obia man tell her, say, serve with the left and wipe with the right or something like that. You don't know people, me don't know truth
Brother,
it, bro.
me,
But
from here over I'm out.
Me not-
You think more I say Alice say this right now, I go say that over man to
No,
me.
listen, that's why we say allegedly, because we not try
Alice
to
don't know what that means.
we not,
come on.
John, no, brother. No, we don't know, man. But on a big woman level, I not like, oh, the whole of this go on, bro, because on a big woman level, check it. As me say, everybody I got suffer. And me, not got to no big establishment, bro, they're Jamaican dog. Up on the road, they buy food, you know. Gregory Park, you have a woman named Miss A. Zin? Remember Miss A food and the wickedest food down a blood from Portmore, Miss A. From Portmore to from Gregory Park to Hamilton Gardens to Christian Penn, Watson Grove, Miss A. And I'm not gonna lie to you, right now, I still buy a Miss A food. But the thing about it, the good I got suffer for the bad. Because people are gonna look for all of them like Alice, bro. Don't to all the fruits, man, people are gonna pray. And the fruits, man, them serve for them thing in a plastic. You can see. But them gonna start questioning them, yo, you wash your knife, you wash your this, you wash your that. Where you get them bagger from? Yeah.
You see me?
So I just kind of think it
Fruits, man, suppose you scratch all the bars.
rough, brother, rough.
Fruitsy, yo, right I know that.
Yeah.
I grow me one of fruits then.
For real. I'm not lie to you. I wish. So that I think now, you see, think now, I need to move in that country, bro. I need to move in that country because, you see, in that country,
Yeah.
you have land, you can grow your own things, bro. You grow the main food, them you know your name. You grow your banana. Banana can grow in Atlanta. Banana suppose you can grow, though. Them look at you grow your own thing, bro. I mean, no, say red dirt there, bad G. You can grow a yam and them something there. All it take a land and ownership. I'm not lie to you. Apartment and them thing there. Yeah, I'm not lie to you, know. I feel more depressed when I'm in an apartment and them thing there and not have a yard for go and just kick some ball and get some sun. I'm not lie to you. I'm not like the
more
apartment.
maintenance though.
House?
Yeah,
Way more, yeah. Land and sewage and one bag of sitting.
Land and bag of sitting. Especially if you're in one subdivision, yo.
Yeah.
Every minute, you need to clip your this or you need to clip that. You need
can't
to put
park this car on
right
the road.
there.
You can't park this car on the road.
Or else we're gonna find you.
Mm-hmm. I don't lie, but you know, to all like fool people them out there, just go and hold it, man. You understand what I say? You have people out there who are still supporting you like me. Just make sure so you practice, proper hygiene.
True.
I mean, spend my money. I'm not gonna lie to you. I want to say, don't to all tourists forward, brother. You have one white brother, bald. We go all over the place and taste different culture food. Mm-hmm. And the same Alice, she serve him, bro. And she dip her hand in the blood clot crab pot and broke the crab meat and give him and put in him and him yam it and put in him mouth. So who's to tell that day there? Alice never shit up that day there and serve the man batty crab. What a shitty situation, bro.
Alice.
Big up Alice. And big up Nadine. People never beat Nadine, but mama, I say you don't know Jamaica you come from. But, you know?
So why them a beat Nadine?
Because apparently she videoed the thing. So she video
So Nadine worked there too?
She worked there, yeah. So it's a gang of vendors. You see, I don't know what is the name for a group of vendors, but it's a group of vendors. And Nadine...
I don't think Nadine no not wrong then.
I don't think so neither.
No, bro.
But you see, people say she bad mind. And I think the word bad mind in Jamaica, it's overused and incorrectly used more time. The word bad mind.
What am I trying to say?
Them I try to say.
Alice, I get the whole of crab seal them.
Yeah. So Nadine want mash up her thing by recording. But Nadine have about 4 or 5 video of her doing the same thing. So is it really bad mind when she release only one and not the other one them? Because she could have released it a long time.
Sure.
So I don't think a bad mind. I think say the woman just tired and frustrated if she repeatedly do these things. You understand? Because she have multiple videos. No, her motives behind it, me no know. It could be bad mind, I don't know. But I'm just saying, all over, it's an unfortunate event. I'm not lie to you.
Nadine.
Yeah. The food industry are going to suffer for the people who independent.
I guess Nadine I try to tell them to stay clean.
Boy, bro, from there, all right, you know.
Eh?
From there, a real artist, you know, from there, the dog arrive, you know.
Rhyme bank.
You see me? But, on a kind of more sad side of things, you have a very unfortunate event where take place at Jamaica, bro, and
the earthquake.
Not even that, you know, because I got an earthquake too. Leoda, Bradshaw, and Philip Palwell love triangle.
Oh, Jaja.
So Philip Palwell, right? Him have a new baby mother, a 10-month baby mother, right? 10-month-old baby with a new baby mother. And him have another baby mother where in the army, in the navy, in America. She's a petty officer. She's a cook, right?
Oh, she's a cook?
Yeah. About 3 years she did it. No, I mean the thing that she was a big officer too.
A big officer or something.
She's a chef, a cook. That means that she cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Zane?
Yeah.
Me think that she, you know, depend on another level, but she's not. So, mama getting her feels, right? And orchestrate a master plan for get rid of our competition, which is Philip Palwell new baby mother. You hear about it, right?
Yeah, me hear about it, man.
Bro. Because you got daughters. Me know say that touch your heart, brother.
Bad man. She for dead.
Bro. As rough as it is, those
yo.
things that you do, you deserve death.
Of course, yo.
I will not say nobody forgot do or something, no. But if the law did have those rules and them things are still in effect, like this death penalty, she should get it. I'm not lie. You know, say if Florida, bro, she do that, she get the death penalty.
Of course, a 10-month-old baby.
A 10-month-old baby.
Me said the baby get couple gunshot well.
And then burn. And then burn, brother. And this is how toxic and evil people who think they are in love can be, because I don't think that's love. That's an obsession, brother.
For real.
That's an obsession, bro. It's when you love somebody, you can't let them go and have them in your life, but only if it can benefit them. If you say you love somebody and don't say, yo, them can do better, or hold them back, people are going to say, yo, go do your own thing.
Brother, all the man them would do this.
All right, I was gonna go there, you know. But I try to finish off with the girl first. But we have to say about the man then, because I think Jamaica don't have no real leaders anymore, no real male leaders anymore.
Bro.
If you make a woman where you not, because one of them was our cousin. You not smash her. But you make she brainwash you and bribe you with 400 tow, where you only get one. Okay, you only get one, you never get the other 3. I think I 5. And she have 400 left for them. You not get none of that. I not fuck her.
Brother, you know what I mean that though? I take the money and then just blow out, just turn her over to the blood clot. Police.
I said the
and
same
thing. Pocket the money.
I said the same thing in my life.
The money I eat that.
No true leadership, brother.
Yeah, you want baby and want woman come into play. Oh, the fuck you
and Marco,
carry out that?
As the story developed by G, them say, you see me? As the story developed, them say, listen, this lady, right? What she do? This lady, what she do?
Yeah.
Are some of the most evilest thing. But what she levels now? Leoda. Brainwash. 2 or 3 man. If you do what them I do. Why I say they don't have no real leadership in Jamaica?
Mhm.
Because you went ahead with the plan and you destroyed the life of a newborn and a young girl. She had 27, right? So now, pre-the levels, you know. These youths in Jamaica, them so easy for buy out and sell out and do anything for money. What would you say to your daughter growing up? Your daughter is of legal age now, right? What would you tell her for look for in a man that you think have great leadership skills and great leadership power? Because I know you wouldn't want your daughter end up with all a man, and I mean somebody with all a Leoda mindset in our male gender.
You're mad?
So where to tell a daughter to look out for consider a man a great man.
I don't know, me I try to tell my daughter them say, yo, just live with me, huh?
Yeah.
Just may take care of her for the whole of the life.
Because no, I really
Because I be the one none of them boy I come. Cause if a boy ever feel like say, you want I'll just touch all my daughter or I just abuse my daughter or say certain thing.
yeah.
A gunshot.
Yeah, man. Bro,
I
that's
tell my
that's
yo,
your blood, bro.
Since night, me tell all my daughter them, say, yo, no man till on 60. Them I say, Daddy, what if you're a madman? Come see, Daddy. Come see what? You tell about come see. About come see, come see what the bomb
They have to live them life, man.
Live which life?
We have to
When I depend
understand
that.
No, but no, I understand, you know. You see a father, people, on a big man level. You see a father,
Boy, pick them
overprotective. Yeah, them different. But this is what they would have said now.
My girl, them.
You see now, them would have said you're hypocritical because them are kids the same. What's the difference between the boy and the girl? Why you treating him like that and you treating me like this?
My girl, my little girl.
Your mama,
girl, them.
listen to your father. Daddy think different. Remember, I said daddy know those ropes, you know. Daddy know a man want, you know, mama.
Of course.
You understand what I say? So, Ima look out for your best interest. This is to all of the girls them who think them father super strict. Listen to your blood clot father. Your father was there. Yeah, but your father was there one time, mama. Just think about it.
Your father was a dog shit before.
And him can spot a dog shit.
Yeah, he can spot a dog shit from a mile.
Imagine your daughter bring on one man to blood clot.
No, she not bring on one man. That can't work.
You ever see when two new dogs link up yet? And the pussy them just size up them one another?
Eh?
And your daughter bring on my money and stays and size up the blood clot. Yeah, forward it, bad G. We are dealing. You see me? But a big man level, young women, listen to no father. Your father, him a go strict, but him know all of the trades and the tricks. Them youth that can't run game for you if you have a solid father in your life. Think about it. Think about it.
You see me?
Listen.
Listen
man,
to
but
your father.
you know, on a big man level, bro, I would have do the same exact thing like you. When I take the money from Leoda and go straight up a blood clot jail
the girl that try to kill them people
see
come.
Me? Bro,
take her away. Yo.
3 man, 1 woman. Brainwash
have
3
money in
man.
him pocket and him nice. Now, everybody with our life, you take the money and say, hey, police, come for that girl.
Bro,
everybody with our life.
Bro, I'm with you.
And you have a money in your pocket,
yeah.
and you know, say you did a great job for turning in this wicked blood clot girl. You see me?
Girl,
she go to prison. She go to jail for try to pay somebody, for kill somebody. You have your money.
3 levels.
The pitney and our mother alive. Everybody.
You wanna know how fucked up this is? Pre-da level, yeah. Alright, let's say Jamaica gear the minimum. Let's say
minimum.
Yeah, it's just you know Jamaica thing, bro. It can buy out. She have links with politicians, so it's possible. We now go around and say, oh no, you know, she gonna get this. We never know.
Who the cook?
Yeah, we never know. So this is the thing now, right? Let's say she get 10 years and she serve her 10 years in Jamaica. Zin, you know, say, when she come back to America though, she have to serve life, the minimum life. And if them want upgrade the charge, them can give her debt.
You said the US step in, right?
So they're going to do that regardless. She's not the army and she represent them army and she have to carry herself a specific way in high regards. In the Navy. Yeah. She have to carry herself in high regards. But the US military, them have a blanket code for everybody. Carry yourself respectable, whether on or off. You're on duty until you resign, pretty much. You could have there at Walmart, you still represent the army or the Navy, whatever branch of the military you're in. So, when you look up the charges you should have, kidnapping, conspiracy to kidnapping, conspiracy to murder and murder. Bro, life. All of them carry life. And maximum is death.
Yeah, man, it hurt me, dog. Cause when me even hear them say, the little pitney, they are play with one of them. Little pitney, I play. Yo, dog, I want to come out of me eye when me hear that. But I listen to it.
You can't
so so evil. Pitney, I play with you.
That's supposed to change the art.
That's supposed to change it right away.
Can't do it. Brother, that's what I say. Bro, the same thing, I tell you, go live on TikTok, I talk about them thing up on TikTok live, bro. I'm going to say, yo, anyone did me, bro. And me even that think about for do it. Me get out the baby and I have the baby a bounce pan on my lap and the baby like, yeah, pull out my blood clot gun and say, no, blood clot moving.
Oh, you mean?
All out got go all out in front of me right now, drop your gun.
Oh, you mean?
We got blood clot prison right now, we got jail right now. Brother, I'm not lie to you, bro. I'm not having my heart, bro. For this try a woman, much less a little youth, a little baby just man. 10 months?
Ja.
You have the heart to do that. A 10-month baby.
Brother, I'm a little 3-year-old where yo love me so much and I see her from she born till now. And she tell me how she love me and hug me up and everything and yo, a ball if me I leave out of the yard and a man really got shoot her in 10 months. The baby they don't even know how to talk.
Baby I think,
and you go shoot. Shoot.
And then burn.
Even hurt.
And then burn.
Why you for do that?
And then burn. No, bro, I tell them say, yo, bro, down to the mob have rules and laws.
Rules, bro.
Women and children have limits.
No children.
And you Jamaican hungry youths, who don't have nothing about you know. If the mob, who do some of the most heinous crimes and take off man off of the face of the earth in some of the most gruesome ways, can have rules and regulations. What the fuck wrong with you, brother? I say you're hungry for 100,000. You reckon a little newborn life? We understand. When I say we understand Leoda, it's sad. But how do you destroy the life of a 10-month-old? Jamaica don't really have no real male leadership no more. What do you think about that?
True,
you can't think you that, bro, I'm gonna think you that glad to have one of them youth as your son-in-law.
The thing is, I understand, so enough of the youth, them grew up without father too, you know. Them now the father figure.
That is true.
You see me?
That is true.
Enough of the youths, them not grow up with no father figure. Their mother are just but with some family member and them just run up and down wild.
And they wasn't even brought up, they were dragged up. Exactly. And some of them raised themselves.
But this have to change, man. You see me?
So, all right. So, one little thing we think where if we instill in the youths their mind, right? Because Frederick Douglass said it's much easier, you know, to help me. I'm paraphrasing. It's not the real thing. I remember word for word, but he must say it's easier to save a little youth than a grown man. It's easier for more a child than a man.
Yeah, because
when them don't stuck in them, adults don't stuck in them.
Yeah,
ways.
when you're a child, you coming like a sponge. You learn.
Yeah,
you learn
observe everything.
You learn life. You see me? You learn how to speak. You listen. You watch what go on. At them time, that you learn the most. When you're a baby, them say from 3-year-old. From 3.
For your brain start working, you start observe things. Me I'll find out what they say. We are baby and them a cry. And then I say, certain a baby them want bed. Most time I call them cold.
Yeah.
So it's like the baby them know what time it is, but them just can't speak to you.
Yeah, so
I feel like from the eye open, them a know and them a learn. Them just can't tell you so them a know and a learn.
True.
You know, I'm not gonna lie to you. As man in Jamaica, we have to stand up to. I'm not put no responsibility upon no artist or no politician, but as I say, we as people, we supposed to stand up.
So that part, artists, where you say no, them a put things for artists.
I feel like say on everything if I put for artists. If I put something for artists now, make where them a create. Let that be the topic of the day. Don't just randomly call an artist because them have publicity. You see what I say?
True.
Because you don't know what this person I got through. Let's say me I got through a hard and terrible time in my life. And something terrible happened like Leoda Bradshaw. My family fuck up, right?
Yeah.
And then people say, Negus, you not talk about Leoda Bradshaw. My life is fucked up right now. What the fuck you want me to do?
Mm-hmm.
Like I'm in shambles. So I'm like, certain things, don't ball down for artists. I feel like keep them responsible for them, what them I put out to the public.
True that.
Don't ball out to them and say, yo, we have to do more. we need to do more. I include myself all the way. Even
Everybody.
you who said the artist for do something, you for do something more too. Everybody. You see me? When I put a blame on the artist for things when I concern music.
Because the thing is too, it coming like the fans them. Nowadays it coming like them dictate the music where them want to hear because that's why I say the whole away. The fans them for choose say them want to hear the good music, the music with substance.
Yeah.
But nowadays them don't want to hear that. So an artist now where that is him lively. You see me? I now say that word there.
You see, as Jamaica, I'm telling you, brother.
Artist where that is him lively
wages,
income.
Make it income, yeah.
You see me? Wages. I saw him take care of him family. If him not sing where the public want, the fans them, him not get no show.
Nah, sure, yeah.
Him not get no dub plate. Yeah. Him not get no this. Him not get no that. So that in return forces the artist to sing what him don't want to sing.
That is true.
Because why? You have to take care of your family no matter what. My family have to take me off. My kids them have to eat.
True.
My kids them have to get clothes. My kids them have to go to school. My kids them have to, you have to pay for school. You have to do all type of things.
True.
An artist have to do what him have to do. And then you see them clamp down for artists and say, yo, them a do this and them a do that. And the artists a make this happen. So I want to movie them too.
All right, you see that now? When I think the movie is going to be that effective. You want to know why?
Why? All right.
You want to know why?
What is your favorite movie?
Scarface.
Me see an artist say it.
What?
Me see an artist say it. Them ask him what his favorite movie is. I'm say Scarface. Why? Why?
For the cinematography.
No, it's not for the cinematography. It's because of the gangster thing and the gunshot them and the killing and Scarface. I get so much shot and he come like a coke alone and come out time because you
bullet can't kill me.
You think you can kill me? Oh, motherfuckers. All right. Why everybody say Scarface?
Look,
our Shatters are one of them favorite movies.
Reason why, look, I'm gonna tell you why it's not the same thing as music. See, music and movie, it can't be the same thing. You wanna know why? Because movie is like an hour and a half long.
Yeah.
How many times you gonna watch an hour and a half long movie repeatedly? Ever so often. You probably watch it once every 3 months if I your favorite movie. Like, me consume Scarface movie.
Yeah, but
watch Scarface about 3 times out of the year. Zin? But you see a music, movies. No, but you see a music, you see a song now. You listen to that. You can listen to that 100 times in a one day. And it's going to easy for your subconscious to lock on that 3 minutes there versus the hour and a half.
All right, so I'm moving now.
So that's why movies is not as influential as music.
No, man, I'm moving now. All right, a visual.
Visual, yeah. It shows you.
Can show you how to use a gun. A visual can show you how to point the gun. A visual can show you how to squeeze the trigger.
True.
A visual can show you how to set up a crime, to do a crime.
True.
A visual can show you every fucking thing.
That is true.
You see me? Versus an audio, we say, yo, dope him with my 9 and rail.
Yeah.
It's not showing anything.
That is true. But
the movie show you.
But that's...
the movie show you how to use your gun, how to point your gun, how to do whatever, how to kill people. And when you look at the movie, them and say, yo, you see one want to kill the boy.
Yeah.
I mean, do that too, you know.
I mean, you're
them style there, you know.
I mean, you're right. The movies do show you. But all right then. I'm not.
They just scan over the thing. They just a scan over. Yo, Ray and them gone in or something else.
Yeah. Okay, so this, all right, I understand that. And movies are influential. Bro, as long as you can see and hear it, you're going to be inspired, whether you like it or not. It's going to be lodged in your psyche. I'm going to tell you how I know that. When I just come to America, I remember the Soulja Boy song, but that shit played every fucking day. And I personally despise that song. Yeah.
Soulja Boy,
watch me roll. You listen to the song.
Superman, there you.
And I'm like, I don't never want to listen. This is just bullshit. But you hear cars driving past. You hear it every day. You hear it in commercials. You hear it as a soundtrack in a movie. Eventually, you're going to find yourself, it's just not that bad. All right, Soldier Boy up here. Oh, but at the club, I'm a stay so. I'll know I'm a stay so. You see me as big man.
Okay, so.
And even, me never like it. But repeatedly. And that's why it's called programming.
All right, so
the consistency of this going back like over and over and over, you have no choice.
So let me tell you something now.
Mm.
So, a song over and over again, I'm programming, right? But then, me ask you about a movie we do from 19 or long. Yeah. And you can say, this, I'm a favorite movie. So what that do? That hour
no, we're not discredit the movie.
But me just say.
That's the movie worse than the music.
That hour ad movie lodge in your brain for so much years where you can't even come back and sell some things out of the movie.
Word.
Which one you think did more effective?
I still think the music.
But if you watch this movie 3 times a year, but you listen this song every friggin' day for 365.
Bro, if I listen to that,
you can remember things out of this movie from 3
why?
times.
Because it's not only audio, it's visuals as well. So therefore, the memory bank I got store and it's gonna be more clearer.
Okay.
But what I'm saying to you, look now, man. Even in a blood class psyops, bro, CIA and FBI, bro, they use audio and brainwash people and them thing there, you know. And you see, repetitive. If you're repetitive, you're going to get brainwashed. If you think you're
audio, you're
going to, bro.
They know saying in a Hitler days, audio them use.
Yeah, right? Propaganda. Yeah, audio.
Hitler use him change the frequency of the music.
You see what I'm saying?
Him change the frequency of the music for get the people ignorant.
Okay.
Another frequency that we are listening to this day.
Right now.
Bob Marley is in the right frequency.
And why you think them get to that Bob Marley?
When you listen to Bob Marley music,
it's a conspiracy theory.
It calms you.
True.
But when you listen the frequency nowadays, if you play a Bob Marley song, they switch to the frequency nowadays, your bro gonna knit up so. Cause you start get ignorant. Yeah. It start make you ignorant.
Yeah.
I mean know about this.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
That's good, man. I like say you know about frequency, bro. You know a certain frequency can bend steel. I'm not asking, listen.
People don't know about them things.
I'm telling you something. You have frequency where you can open your car door, make your car shake like a blood clot leaf in a winter.
People don't know them things.
They don't know that. If it's loud enough, frequency will destroy any fucking thing. Man. If you don't know about frequency. Frequency is when you feel goosebumps per your blood clot skin.
Yeah.
What do you think cause that?
Yeah,
what do you think cause that? Frequency can use for bring down your cholesterol levels and them something there. People don't know that.
You know them thing, yeah.
Of course, man.
Okay.
That's what I say about G. So we know the powers of music. I will know how destructive it can be as well. But that's why me say, because I love music. Yeah, I'm an artist. I consider you a virgin. I would never, even if me wasn't virgin, I would never consider the art 100% blame upon the artist.
True.
But I'm saying they have a part to play. That's it. When I say them are the worst and them are the this and that, they have a part to play.
We have a part to play, yes.
Yeah. You see me? That's it.
We are talking, me never dare go say this on the podcast.
You don't have to say it if you don't want to say it.
But me forward out and say, yo, no gun song and no this and that. But here we go on, brother.
Talk to me.
Life is a balance, brother. Life is a balance.
It is.
As me tell everybody, if you look on the damn battery, it's a negative and it's a positive work.
True.
So you can't have it work hand in hand. You see me? It work hand in hand. So enough people, people for dead and people for live. Straight.
True.
If you check all the Bible.
Yeah.
David, they are killed for God.
I know, but and not only can I say I'm wrong.
Yo.
That is real.
David,
that's
they are killed for God because people evil.
But you see, think about it, bro. People think that God is this nice and kind thing, bro. God has repercussion. God is strict.
Of course.
And when you come with strict, it come with harsh punishment. It come with repercussion. People think God is this nice, lovey-dovey, forgiving, ball of no, brother. Where think the earth did flood and all I want to get murder? Dog, system creation gone to spoils.
All right, I mean say rare. No more guns, I'm not do this, I'm not do that again.
Now compare the dog to God, but you know, for some of them, you're gonna say, hey, I compare him to God.
No, but here we know. It's a thing called life, and it's a thing called you have a period where you go through certain feelings in a life. And at that time, I say, yo, I'm tired for seeing my brother them are dead and be a killing a go on and all of these things. But it's necessary, yo. Some people feel leave off of the earth.
I agree.
Some people feel leave off of the earth. And I say if you walk and kill people, but people, you have some people who are demons. Bro.
Yeah, I agree.
Who are the devil itself.
We just talked about it 20 minutes ago. Leoda, Bradshaw, the three youth them.
Those
people need to leave earth. You understand what I say? And we're not gonna say we're gonna take it up from one and say we're gonna purge and you forgot purge. No, what does I say? You have good and bad, and if the earth was void of all the bad and all the negativity, would have all be in a more positive place. That's all I say.
But yeah, that will never happen.
Yeah, no.
So here we go, and that's why the negative and the positive come in.
Yeah. And really and truly, negative and positive, subjective, we preach. Exactly. Your interpretation of good and bad, it might not be the circumstances of me I got through might not make me look on good and bad like you look on good and bad.
Every man burn
your good might inconvenient me. Your good might as I'm say it all subjective. Your good might inconvenient me. Your good might be you looking out for your survival while robbing from me. That might be your good. Is a lion bad for eating the fucking gazelle? No. The lion is trying to survive. No, we look at it and say, no, I don't like that. The fucking lion, you're bad, bro. You're evil because you ate the gazelle. This nigga trying to live.
And the next thing too, when we realize, all right, this is when me say what me say. Mm-hmm. It's like, me not see nobody rally around it. So me I say, so that means the world have more.
No artists are yes. Because really and truly, I say the bloggers and I say the newspaper them pick it up.
Yeah, but
because I myself tag you and I'm like, bro, this is a big move.
Exactly, but nobody else has
in the fraternity.
In the fraternity, so
nobody.
Rare.
Yeah.
And you look on all the comments them, right? And you will see the same person under your page and say, yeah man, Marco, rare. But when you go up on another artist thing where I say, yo, bullet them, rare, you see the same people them. I put fire.
Yeah, man. It's bad. Yeah, man.
I put fire, the baddest thing. So what that leave me if you say?
So basically you saying you're not going to do no more gun song, you kind of limit yourself. When these people really know so them want the blood and the grime.
Them want hear.
Me know that for a fact. I'm not like you. More time them I say, I'm gonna like them blood clot gun singer. But catch me in my car on a blood clot 3-hour drive.
Yeah, me not like the
when
gun
bad
song.
man grab the gun, them grab it.
Right.
Bad man lock it and load and slam it. I mean I drive a stairs up.
Me not like the gun song, but what?
Yeah.
It give the people them the vibe.
And I think where these people go wrong with the gun song them is that them feel like say the artist them really live out them life, yeah.
No, brother.
I say majority of them are. Of course, we know some of them are.
Some of them new.
Some of them are.
Some of them new youth are gunman.
Yeah, some of them new. Some of them youth are clotted for real.
Them new youth are them a fire gun. Man, I'm afraid of them.
No, but it's it. But for a big man level, like bro, for a big man level, if we hear Demarco stay a boom, yo, Mara, you know, man, I bust Mara. That's just the art. I real to them, dude, bro. Listen, Josh. The last thing we hear about Josh, the man them shut up Josh car. I'm glad to say, you know, the dog them just get shot and them alright, you know, and rare, but you know, who lose them life in a little fucker. R.I.P.
Josh, I'm an artist, man. Big up
wicked
Josh.
artist, man. We see all the color we wanna do together. Wicked tune. But what I say, bro, some of my things real, but don't look on all the artists like all of the artists them and live these things.
Dog, the man them take music too serious. We have to stop that.
What make I say that?
We don't take music too serious, brother. Yo, a man goes a bam and go around him laptop and goes a bam. I'm program to beat right now. I wanna go sing on the beat them. And then when I sing against one another and then want to take it physical. For what? Stop the fuckery, man.
Yeah.
We don't stop the foolishness.
I agree. If you want to do it music, just
Stop
do
the
it
foolishness.
music.
If you don't want to compete with music, yo, do that. But when you want to take it to a physical level, for no, sir. That's a foolishness. That's a foolishness. You can't say you want to be a musician and you want to be a gunman or a bad man. No, that don't work.
In a work.
Because you have to perform.
Right?
You have to perform.
Have to perform. And somebody knows somebody. That security might be somebody. Cause pretty levels. I see anything that Boosie say.
Fans, may I tell Uno.
Yeah.
Stop the fuckery. Don't feel so none of them artists are a gunman and real bad man because them have to perform. And if them a real gunman, them is mad. Because, yo, you have to go up on a stage. So Uno don't believe in that shit. Stop that shit. And music we are do, because we are do music for entertain Uno. You understand? And Uno not to take it literal and put it down the brain and say Uno want to go shoot and kill people. It's entertainment, just like how you have movies. Yeah, you understand?
It is. It's all entertainment.
It's entertainment.
It's all entertainment.
You see me? So stop the fuckery.
Yeah.
You know, little youths who I feel like say, yo, when Demarco them, when everybody sing about gun thing or your favorite artist, them really are shoot people. No.
Yeah.
Them really they shoot people them whether they're prisoner or dead or they now on box.
True.
Right now, they now on box lay down under the ground. Stop
Facts.
the foolishness.
Facts.
You see me? That is it.
That is it. And, you know, before we even touch upon the subject here, the next thing was the current state of dancehall, which I think we kind of dissect it away, but on a like an artist level, but on a global level, right?
My father.
What do you...
Let me explain.
Before me even ask, more you the dagger. Before me even ask.
Current state of dancehall, nothing is wrong with it. Let me tell you why.
Yeah.
When you did have, back in the days, you know them used to fight reggae music the same way. Them used to fight reggae music the same way. I say, yo, ragga music. When I can't, yo, dirty people music and rare.
Word.
Who is the biggest artist in the world? Bob Marley. What him do? Reggae music.
Good music, uplifting music, positive music.
Yeah, reggae. But Peter Tosh did do music too and
no,
still
Peter Tosh was a rebel. Peter Tosh was a rebel.
But him there, but a reggae music.
But still.
Bob, hey, hold on. So you know, say.
Don't.
Bob there for grown up in a radio station with him gun, you know. You didn't know that?
No, don't think so reggae music are just some high.
But hold on, my brother.
Jesus and love and classy. No.
Just like I'm saying.
Reggae music are rebel
the
music.
battery, negative and
positive.
Work. Yeah. What Bob Marley was singing about?
I shot the sheriff and I didn't shoot the deputy. One love.
One love, right?
So some people that say, you shoot the deputy, but you talk about one love. That's contradicting. At Demarco say, positive.
Bob Marley there for run up in a radio station with him pistol. For them play a positive music.
So the dog that
negative.
Is it me?
I'm positive.
Some people say that's contradictory. You have to run up with violence for spread peace. It's so crazy that is, people.
Yeah.
Bob Marley left run up in a radio station with him pistol. Violence for promote peace.
Brother.
Wow.
Brother. So now the youth them a try out them new thing with them fusion of trap music and dancehall, right?
Yeah.
The whole world right now is a fusion of music. Rap music don't sound the same way like before.
Nah, you not lie, because rap music is the sound like this. Man, I'ma tell you, I'm coming with the jam. If you want to disrespect me, you get blamed.
Let me tell you again. Let me show you a thing again.
And then dance about the ideas. I go chubby. No, They're gonna say, yo, me I tell everyone first night. I mean, I know if for the white room, but something I feel like. Isn't it? Yeah, it changed, man. Free.
Pop music.
Yeah.
Is trap music right now. Listen to what like pop music. Them a trap beat your ear. So everything is a fusion.
No more Taylor Swift or Anna Montana?
I'll Taylor Swift them. Me sure you can type up Taylor Swift for your ear upon a trap ready.
Me know blood clot Anna Montana. Gucci chain I'm a sax. Oh, we should do that. And the Jordan song.
So that's why me nah try to bash the youth them dog.
I think
now,
I think we as Jamaicans, bro, we a part of us want to preserve the cultural aspect, but we're really not doing it. We're just more so talking about preserving it, but we're not preserving it really. Because if you look on it, bro, if all right. Bunty still alive, Bean is still alive. All them man I said the dog them now promote the new wave of dancehall. Them man.
No, me say Bunty. Me say Bunty and promote it. Bunty, Me say Bunty and Joshi do song.
Okay, but no, Joshi and a dancer. Joshi and a trap artist. Joshi, I would say Joshi is a dancehall artist.
Yeah, but he do song on trap beat. It's a trap dancehall mixture.
But Joshi career, you think Joshi career is a what I said? What is a dancehall artist who do trap?
Joshi reason Joshi saying boss with a banger song.
I mean, if you know more than me,
yeah,
so you know what I mean, yeah.
And him a good artist,
great artist, just a wicked artist.
You see me? And I feel like the whole Bunty, me can't say Bunty. Yeah. Show the youth some love, same way.
Word.
But the man them now have to do this traditional thing we not talk about. Because everything is evolving. Music is evolving around four corners. And
as much as some of us don't want to admit that,
bro,
that
every
true.
genre.
Yeah.
Every genre. You see me? Even the same reggaeton.
Yeah.
Is evolving. Them change up the beat too.
Cause Bad Bunny them not sound like
exactly
Daddy Yankee them.
And reggaeton born out of dancehall music.
Oh yeah, for sure.
And them evolve as well.
A lot of them don't wanna admit that though.
No, them admit it, man. Them bow, them do the reggaeton make up from.
Yeah.
Them bow, Shabba, them bow. You see me? And music has evolved. So me can't try fight the youth. You them are going with them thing. The whole of them. So you know see what I go on. It come like I'm the only artist from my era where I do song with the youths them because I get it. And me no want the out of the loop. Yeah. I'm to you.
No, because
the talent to me have you mad me then I am doing you not do that genre, you not do this, that mix up thing, yeah. The fusion, yeah. I'm there. Because here we go on. Same thing them they say about reggae music. Reggae music, it now gone away. And look where Bob Marley is.
Dog left it at one place. Nobody can outdo him. Nobody can outdo
look who
Bob
is Bob Marley.
Them man they sell thousands of albums every year from them.
Brother, me hear them have debate. Bob Marley or Michael Jackson.
Boy, I love Bob still, but I'm Michael, me give it still. I'm not lie to you.
Oh, no, never.
Rate Bob, but I'm Michael.
Oh, never. I will never give it to Michael.
Okay, that's fine.
Bob Marley, all day, every day.
Rate Bob. Means that I love Bob. I love Bob song, them I love Bob album. My nigga. But I never seen a girl drop and frat up yet for Bob Marley, yeah? When girl touch blood clot Michael, girl frat up. You know what I mean? Girl frat up.
Bob Marley change a whole country.
I mean, you understand that.
Frat
all right.
Frat up don't mean anything.
Wait. You know what?
Frat up versus change a whole country.
Yeah, I agree. I'll give you that. The actual change, yeah. But I think Michael Jackson was way more popular than Bob Marley. But Bob Marley made a greater impact on the world. You don't give me that?
So him can more popular.
What?
If he make a greater impact on
bro,
the world.
let me just say this. Bob Marley was an anomaly. Bob Marley shouldn't do his time there. Bob Marley did it because God say, yo, I hear time now because we know the powers that be
family
would have fight out Bob Marley too. Well, they were fighting Bob Marley tooth and nail.
Family, let me say something.
Bro, I'll give it to Michael.
Family, let me say something to you. No, let me say something to you. How much people live in America?
300 million.
How much people live in Jamaica?
3 million.
Okay. I'm done talking.
Bro.
You don't get what I just said?
I know
I'm done talking.
For somebody to come from such a small island, For somebody to come
I am done talking.
For somebody to come from such a small island and made such a
talking.
great impact, I understand what you're saying.
I'm done talking.
Bro, I give it to Michael, bro. That nigga was dangerous, bro. How much album? All right, let's look on sales. You did with numbers, right? You did with numbers.
Yeah.
Let's compare Michael Jackson numbers to Bob Marley numbers. It's not close, bro.
That don't have anything to do with it.
Nah, so what? We swear Demarco I bring all of the arguments to validate theme point and I disregard everyone that validate my point. So
Can I explain?
We need somebody else to judge.
Explain business to you?
Okay.
Michael Jackson had a whole friggin' entity or whatever enterprise behind him.
Yeah, he had a machine.
Hold on. Michael Jackson, back in the days, you sold how many you bought. So the amount of records you bought, that is what you sold. You didn't know that? All right, may I teach you now. So
who bought?
The label, because you have to buy the records to sell them. So when you buy them, the amount you buy and you ship it
Buying
out,
mean to make them and
yes,
ship.
Yes.
So that's where sales are generated from the label.
My brother,
from the label.
Even the record.
So you're telling me if a close company,
stores and all of that stuff, the record store them. No, we are deal with music is different from clothing. Because music, you have barcode, you have where you scan. So from your scan that, the sound, the recording, the sound scanner or whatever, that is what you sold. So even if you buy them and you don't sell none, it still is fucking sales.
Okay.
So
okay.
Yeah.
We just learn something.
Yes, my brother.
We just learn something while ago.
So yeah,
but
Bob Marley is the king.
Bob Marley is the king of reggae music.
He's the king of music.
And Michael Jackson is the king of pop. Rate both of them. Big up Michael, big up Bob Marley.
No,
you understand?
Big
up G. Big up G them.
I love Michael Jackson.
Is wicked artist, man. But
Michael Jackson the one of the baddest thing, but Bob Marley, all day, every day.
Yeah, when it comes to positivity, them thing, I forgive it to Bob. Because Michael Jackson is more so dancey, but Bob's whole mission was peace and love. I forgive him that for real. But Marco, let's not get ahead of ourselves because I'm not gonna lie to you about G.
Rotted.
Pre-da levels. Yeah, man.
That's how long we gone?
We're there, man. Pre-da levels, yeah. Zane, what I notice about you though, how we attack, on camera, off camera, mostly off camera because it's our first podcast we do. We mostly talk off camera, we talk about when I realize we do about J, I'm respect this 100% people. Listen to me I say. Demarco, we know. Because when we did high school and Falling Soldier and everything come out and big song, everything bust out.
Yeah.
Demarco and I blood clot blazer. You understand? Big belly.
Big belly.
You see me? From them time till now, the G are doing thing.
Yeah.
But what I realize now, and maybe because I'm privy to more information now because
social media
too, we realize that Demarco right now in the music industry is one of the most independent artists out there. I'm gonna go around the corners or curves, watch the levels of people. Demarco write music, not for only for himself, but other people too.
Yep.
Record music, Zane, make beats.
Yep.
And him fund him whole career right now. Would you say that?
No, yeah.
From audio, when you can't see backstage, but the mic and everything over there, so and him invest in a visual equipment as well.
Yes.
We are talking about 100, my nigga, % independent.
Yes.
Independent individual. And I want you to tell these artists nowadays how important it is to be independent as an artist.
It's very important because you be able to own your masters. That is a big thing. You see me? You have your publishing. You know what I'm saying? You have when you go sound exchange. You have whole heap of money to get when your music play upon Sirius XM Sirius Radio.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you this, you know. Artists, it is 40. Me here say $50 now for one player on satellite radio. You hear that? So, you can go and do a chop and mix up, you know, but do the music that play and that and them place the too. So you can get that income. You see me?
So you're saying $50 if your song play one time on a satellite radio?
One time.
You heard it here, ladies and gentlemen.
50 US.
50 US if your song play one time on a satellite radio. That is why the people who in the industry, I remember when you and brother, the man say, yo, are these people really making good music? Then I'm going to mixing and mastering. They're not mastering their music. And I'm like, what the fuck? I'm not a musician, so I don't know the importance of mastering. What is the importance of mastering?
It's very important because it make your music sound better. It make your music listenable for the consumers, so them not say, yo, this hurting my ears.
So isn't that what mixing is for?
Huh?
Another mixing for?
No, mixing is to bring it to a point. Mastering is to level it off. So no matter how loud you turn it up, it sounds the same way as how the mix sounds good. It keep it the same way. If you just mix a song and you just put it out, when you turn it up, it'll just get loud.
Facts.
And distorted. But mastering now, it keep it on one level. It's not going to clip. It's not going to go in the red. You understand?
Yeah. Okay, I see.
And make it sound better and round up everything. And you know, if it's lucky enough, like tapping, like tweet at, you can add it in mastering. If the bass sound kind of muddy, you can fix it in mastering. Word. If the voice kind of sound where you can fix even the voice into one stereo mix. You understand? So yeah.
That ain't bad at all. That ain't bad.
Yeah, man.
When I lie to you, I respect that because when I lie people, even on the Instagram, the G continuously I post every day. At least one hit when producing a dancer.
What it more? Me need to post though.
But G, what? You have more?
What it more?
People, all right, Demarco. If you don't care, please share some of the big hits them we are producing in Jamaica. Where you personally produce in a Jamaica.
All right, I can't say produce because in Jamaica now, them have producers. Them have it all screwed up. So a producer in Jamaica that don't make a rhythm should be called an executive producer.
Okay.
You see me? But I'm a composer. You see me? Because me together. Create it. Me create the beat. So you have beats like Party Animal. Yeah. Charlie Black's Party Animal. Mission Rhythm with Movado. I'm on the Rock. You know what I mean? Shootout Rhythm. You don't know, Demarco, Duppy know who for frighten. Falling Soldiers. Demarco, Falling Soldiers. The list goes on and on. Kartel, Squeeze. When me squeeze it in a face, boy, dead.
Shut a beat in your blood clot head.
I'm gonna post that yet.
Bumbo clot, brother.
You know that
when the Glock bang up. What the fuck you talking about, brother?
That is my song.
Bumbo clot.
Brother.
What?
You have Kartel, Beyonce wine, me and Jam too. You put it by. Give me the Beyonce wine.
Bumbo clot.
You have Kartel and Spice. Me play most of the phrase.
She can turn back wheels.
Can't take the pressure cause the
pum pum bo. Pala.
You have Kartel again when me play most of the phrase them again. Baby, why not? Everybody wicked in a bed. Kartel, wait name. It's gonna take a miracle with me and Kartel.
Okay, all right.
Kartel again. I don't know if nobody know that one about virus rhythm. Where they go again. No girl them no wanna smooth operator. If you would not use I so she like it. Yo, me can go on popcorn. Me rather dead before me take her back to Teejay. Busy signal. Girl, wine pan the edge, pan the edge, pan the edge.
Wine, pan the edge, pan it.
Busy signal. Who's calling me from an unknown number? Busy signal. Babylon curfew, the dance. What else? Yo. What? Brother, me can go on and on. When the lover come down on you, when the lover come down on you. Yeah. This a girl I want backers is a girl I want. What else? Come make we sort them out. They make the Dan go a jail through them talk him out. Brother. Angel big hit song. Stronger. I'm gonna live my life longer.
Oh shit.
I say my name is getting standard. What else? Yo, brother, we can go on and on and on and on and on. Brother.
So one of my things that the G just there in a studio behind microphone. But the G there behind the keyboard and the blood clot come with the screen.
Mama even Mama even if them kill me, don't cry. And my voice I said, march out. Magazine with him. Magazine with Movado.
Brother.
Yo.
Brother. What?
Brother. Something there, Movado and Junior Reid. Dirty gun me have up. And me write that too for Movado. You see me? Me can't just keep on going and going. Kartel. She said the driver rich. She said the doctor rich. She said have enough girl and him pocket thick. Half a tree. Down a town. Kartel. Dark shades like Ray Charles.
Oh shit. What on there? What on there? So a two song you produced pan the album there?
He did that on the album there? Ray Charles?
Yeah, Ray Charles up on the album. King of the Dancehall, I think.
Yeah,
and then you have a song with him.
Yeah.
What is the song name again? And every girl that with two songs.
Miracle.
No, not Miracle. You have another one Gelly song.
Like Google. And maybe like what they do.
Bro, I can tell you this right now. Brother, you see that brother, yeah?
Make a name song like, yo, whoa, me about 50 or 60 more when I can name, bro.
Yo.
You see me?
I know say Demarco did produce rhythm.
Respect for my name.
I know say Demarco did produce rhythm, but bad G, when I see the dog a post on blood clot Instagram back to back.
I love my life. All of them rhythm there.
No, that now, you see that now, brother? Me can never go a club and the song they play everybody stays so. Everyone stays a lion paw. I love my life. Yeah, my brother, I'm a cousin them. Every man a lion pie, every man stays so. I went to jump. From the winning war, tomorrow might bring
to the future.
I was away. Every party me go, brother, people have to move.
I sang with Akon. Waiting you want, I go buy Lamborghini for you. Me produce it.
Nawala. I want a big international. Nawala, I go buy them for you.
Which dancehall artist you know? It. With a Afrobeat song with them a speak the dialect. Me no know none. Name one.
Jaja.
I speak the pidgin language dialect. Name one.
Put respect on the G name.
Please name one. Please, me I beg you.
Put respect on the G name. You understand? Me not lie to you. The G in portfolio.
Out of the whole of dancehall, from way back to now, which artist / producer have the most balance like me? I don't know now. This the only second person when me can say. And him is more of a producer than an artist. It's Sirani. And you have Genius, Steven. I'm a G that man, yo. Then you have Left Side.
Big up Left Side.
You see me?
Big up Left Side.
But it's like me getting most hits as an artist.
I would say too because if you look on it, Left Side are the only one who's more of an artist than a producer to me. But Genius and Sirani, them are more so producers to me. But in an artist category, when I give you encompass everyone, bro, you're a producer and a fucking artist.
Come on, eat rhythm and build for people, brother.
I'm surprised, bro. I never know say the G did things up, bro. I when the dog a post message, now the dog catalog dangerous. That's about 3 songs every day. Did you know I produced this? I never blood clot no. I mean Marco probably never know.
I've wall it more for put up.
People, so stay tuned. Why your Instagram angle so the people them can see?
The Instagram handle is Demarco, the Dan. So it's DEMARCO DADON. And that is for Twitter.
Yeah.
That is for TikTok. And Facebook is Demarco the Dan 7, the numeral 7.
That is it.
Yeah, that is it.
But before we cut in, you know people. Because me ask the G them and me bring cross ask the G, when are we going to see a new season of Talk Your Mind? Humbuckler!
Talk Your Mind, yes, I eat like this week. But that's the show that you see.
Hey, Talk Your Mind! Talk Your Mind!
Talk Your Mind!
Bread! Fuck. Sliced bread, gutter bread, captain's bread, bread!
I know that.
But
everybody always asks me that, you know.
Bro, after. Bro, that was a masterpiece coming out of Jamaica, brother.
True, no.
Nothing miss on TVJ and CVM, no compare, brother.
True.
Don't tell them, me nah disrespect on a TV show when I bring cross nowadays, but it not act like Talk Your Mind.
Yeah, but I Talk Your Mind start enough because before,
that's true.
We never see all of them people here with Jamaica. Talk Your Mind start it, you know.
True.
The whole live vlog of them and the one bag of sitting at Talk Your Mind with the dead first.
Yeah.
I even CMR even said to me like, yo, dog, I Talk Your Mind really make me rain on.
Word.
You see me, so put some respect on the name, man.
Talk Your Mind, brother. Remember when Talk Your Mind used to act, brother. Me, my brother, my wife, my cousin, my wife, my girl, I would have sit down and like kind of a projector. But someone press the button and the projector screen was drop down. That's up on YouTube on them computer, have the HDMI and the computer to the projector. I would say I watch some blood clot Talk Your Mind all night. We are easy back, brother. I'm telling my favorite on Talk Your Mind.
Yeah.
Tanto Blacks.
Yeah, man.
L.A. Lewis. Blood clot. What the fuck him name, man? Bread.
Quick Cook.
Quick. Big up Quick Cook.
Big up Quick Cook. You don't know me.
We don't know. We don't know, bro.
What's your feelings?
Feelings are story. Them man are storyteller, brother. Them man have every episode, bro.
Fambo them bad.
Future Fambo. That nigga is a storyteller.
Yo, man. Fambo. Remember the one say, yo, critics. Go to the embassy.
But I say,
yo. I hear you call the president a waste man. What is a waste man? I say, yeah, man, that wine is waste. Yeah, man, that wine is waste. Show Rastafari. That's a waste man.
Yo, but now I still know.
Talk about the bad man.
Yo, Noah come forward with some story to you know.
In bad man, I'll film demos them. Yo, go suck your mother. Go suck your mother. Yo.
Big up Noah. Big up everybody who fought on Talk Your Mind. I'm not lie to you.
Yeah, man.
But Talk Your Mind, we need back something similar to Talk Your Mind because, bro, you don't know what you do for Jamaica with Talk Your Mind, bro.
True, man.
Jamaica, you bring so much laughter. You know we need the laughter, bro.
True, man.
Jamaica need the laughter, isn't it?
Nowadays.
Bro, you have the space, you have the equipment, bro. Run back and run it back, bro. Even if you have a guy yard for a few months and us done up the thing, bro, we need back something. You see me? We need back something. But real quick before Demarco go cover for go, you understand? Demarco.
Yeah.
How do you feel? What you've been seeing out you here nowadays, you know, concerning men and women when it comes to dating, right?
I mean,
we think about the dating nowadays. You see people nowadays are complaining about some of the most dumbest things. I see a girl right there say, oh, she now make a man carry her got a cheesecake factory.
Why?
Because how do you carry a girl that look like me to the cheesecake factory? Downplaying the restaurant, saying she's above cheesecake factory. You don't think me getting to know you supersede where we at? We could have sit down on a sofa in the middle of the fucking highway. I'm getting to know you.
That one girl where you don't want to get to know. From a girl said that, yo, me don't want to see you. Take away yourself, girl.
Because I think What me and you are do as man and woman are more important than where we at.
Exactly.
I can get to know you and fall in love with you right by a fucking dumpster, in my
Of
car, at KFC, at Burger King.
So hold on. So she had talk about the ambience of the food, because
I just
you
feel
can go
like
to Cheesecake Factory and you go to one place where you charge $800 for a plate of food, and Cheesecake Factory food tastes better.
that's true.
So ambience she deal with.
It must be, because this is our whole thing. This is our
find the ambience yourself, girl.
right? This is our whole thing.
Blood clot, girl.
So the dog pull up, and she was an hour late because them have a reservation at one nicer restaurant, of course. And because she was late, they missed the reservation. So he brought her to the cheesecake because it's easier to get in there.
Yeah.
Mama said before she even talked to the dog, I said, "Hey, why are you bringing me here?" She took out her phone and start record. The dog get out of the car for go pull the door for you like a gentleman. She record the dog and lock the door. I said, "I'm not getting out of this car. You brought me to the Cheesecake Factory. My nigga, she got to get the fuck out, nigga. And you got to call your Uber, booby.
Well, I know
Call
that.
your goddamn Uber.
No, hear my style out.
She's too bright.
She locked the door?
Lock the door so the dog
hear
can't
my
pull the door
style
for you.
out. Hear my style out. You gotta deal with it like how the girl them fi deal with it. So I gotta go in my car, I'm gonna stretch over,
Yeah.
and I go open the door. Come out of my car before I kick you out of my car. Come on, no.
Come on.
Hey, girl, move. Get out. Left.
Bright and
Take
blood
away
clot
yourself.
tasty, man. Rank.
I'm not care what nobody wants to say. Take away yourself, girl.
Bro, because
You're not a girl what me need for associate with.
good,
Go on,
I
Abba.
said that.
Move.
You know I'm gonna say that, people, because she doesn't value your efforts or your time. Your efforts and your time, she don't give a fuck about that.
No, this is a girl where a social media run her life, because she see all of the shit on social media.
Yeah.
And she
Facts.
want that.
Facts.
You is not a good person for me
I don't agree either.
associate with. Get away.
I don't agree either.
Go find a man them where have them money for waste, pan some waste girl. You see me? Yeah, that is it.
That is it. So now, people, the last part of the Blood Clot podcast that I have right now. This right here is a hot seat, but I don't know. It not really hot because the dog can't manage the flames. You understand what I say? So just calm it down a little bit. So Demarco, I'm going to ask you about 8-10 questions and you answer rapidly. As fast as you can.
Okay.
Because if you want to give thought to your answers,
right.
give thought. But let's don't make it reach over 5 seconds,
All right,
please.
sir.
All
5
right.
seconds now.
Don't make it reach over 5 seconds, I
5
think.
seconds, blood clot.
Nah, brother, come
That
on,
long,
man.
you know.
Yeah, long. What was that? Don't make it reach about 5 seconds. All right, so you ready?
Yeah.
So as I ask the question, you answer.
Yeah.
Ready? 1,
Yeah.
2, 3. Desert clocks or sneakers?
Sneakers.
Instagram or TikTok?
Instagram.
Beef patty or chicken patty?
Beef. But
Curry chicken or stew chicken?
curry chicken.
Favorite music genre?
Dancehall.
Favorite movie genre?
Favorite movie genre?
Yeah.
Yo. Action movie.
The best prime minister you've seen in your lifetime?
Michael Manley.
If you were free, single, and disengaged, which female dancehall artist would you date if she was available?
None.
Jada or Shensia lyrically?
Eh?
Jada or Shensia in general?
2 of them.
City or country?
No, city, sorry.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is it, my side. I don't know, say one nation and Imara nation. My name is Negusimara, but I just want to give thanks to my brother, Demarco.
Them things are too easy a while ago.
It's too easy, bro. Me no want, bro, listen. Me no want to try and put the dog in a controversial state and then the dog say.
Controversy, dog.
That means we're going to shoot another podcast in a couple of months. Don't worry yourself, people.
Dog, find 5 more questions, controversy.
5 more.
Right.
Andy. A question, a controversial question, Andy. Wayne, one controversial question, Wayne. Forward in. Remember the dog, them ask the question. Them going to say it to me and they're going to say it in the camera. They're going to say it to me and they're going to say it in the camera. One controversial question from each eye dog, them. So we have Wayne and we have Andy. One controversial question from both of the dog, them.
Wayne, what you say? Come on.
Bumbo clap, Brian Messia and Teejay.
How I feel about it?
Yeah.
Be more specific.
feel about just the situation they got going on? Do you feel like it's a cause for it?
Do you feel like Brad, Messia, and Teejay, they're taking it too far? Do you think it's necessary, or it's just a bunch of bullshit that's being taken too far?
Oh, you want my honest opinion?
Yeah.
I feel it's staged.
What make you feel it's staged? You feel
It's just not adding up.
Even though a suck your mother and them something that issue.
Yeah, that'll come an assault.
For real. I wonder if people get
Suck
tell
your
what them
mother
mother
right
still.
now, come like, yo.
Suck your mother come like damn or shit. Andy, one controversial question.
What is necessary? Cause
Yeah.
you don't know, as I'm saying, the negative or the positive. You see me?
That's true.
And it shed a light on the two of them. So you know what I'm saying? It's a good thing. I rate the two artists them. You see me? Them have melodies and them can do them thing and them sound good. So it is, but that my honest opinion, I just feel like it's staged.
Okay.
Yeah, cause it just not so. It's all real to you.
I'm trying to figure out where the fuck the dog them are go with this, bro.
Yeah,
because the idea is
out of nowhere just come and
two,
yeah, and then
and two man with two successful songs. Y'all niggas ain't enjoying the money from your song, nigga.
Here we
Y'all
go.
niggas that angry?
Here we go. And the man them have two big songs and the man them say, yo, here we go.
Make it bigger.
Yo, Byron. Byron say, Teejay. Oh, we have the biggest song in a dancehall right now, no. So just go with a starter feud and make it just bigger.
Yeah. That's tell me about mother. Tell me about boy.
Tell about your mother. Just know something. Go tell about your mother a couple times. Well, and you just go just, you see me? I would just make it work. You see me?
But tell her, bro, about 5 more shows I got add to that money. Tell her,
just make sure, yo, just know, say the thing. Yeah, Teejay go tell the man them say, yo, just come on my show and come drink some liquor now. How I'm to do. Better. If me and I want man step to me and be there, everybody follow me. I tell a man to come drink some liquor on my show.
Fuck. I'm here.
Yeah, Teejay.
Trouble. So the dog thinks that my stage thing. Bro, in the music today, I'm not putting on past nobody. Andy.
Music is a joy. Andy, where?
What?
What?
Kartel, is he guilty or innocent?
Yeah, Kartel innocent all day. Here we go. Or you for send a man to prison for life. You don't find a murder weapon. You don't find the body. You don't find. In America, you can't. Them not do that.
Nah, they would have thrown that out.
You can't. Them would not
They
throw
would
that.
throw
No
that
murder
out.
weapon. Nobody. Nothing. Rest my case.
That is it. I agree. But I don't know, say one nation and Imara nation. I'm going to give thanks to my brother Demarco for the time, energy, and strength. His wonderful words of inspiration for the youth and the young artists that we are rise up right now in the dance hall. For people who do music in any genre, you can learn something from this individual. Super independent. We are talking about the man have everything from music, instrument to visual resources, musical and visual. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Demarco, Imara Nation podcast, and we are fucking out.
Oh.
That is it.